Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a digital Thailand visa DTV as a digital nomad. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Thai e-visa official website. So here, once you come, you're gonna click on sign in. Uh, so here you need to log in with your email and password. So if you don't have an account, you need to create an account first. So I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, I opened this login area. So now, when you are gonna come here, you're gonna click on apply for a new visa. So first you need to check your eligibility if you can apply online or not. So you need to fill it up as per your case, and based on your location, it may or may not work for you. Okay. I mean, if online visa is not available, then you need to like check the requirements as per the local embassy, and there you are going to apply. Okay. Now, for travel document type, I select ordinary passport. Visa type. So, digital nomad comes on the DTV Destination Thailand Visa. So, I'm going to select purpose of visitor. See this digital nomad remote worker. Number of entries multiple. It's like the issue of 5 years. Okay. Right. Now I'm gonna put sample. You're gonna put as per your case. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I think they should apply better validation. Ah, nationality. Do you hold any other nationality? I select no, but yes, then definitely do. Nationality at birth, whatever is in your case. Place of birth, city of birth, date of birth, marital status. If you're married, I mean, you need to select as per your case. Type of travel document, sample, home address. Of course, you know these fields, and when you enter, just don't verify once, verify 2 times. Is your permanent address same as your current address? Select yes. If you select no, they will ask more details. Occupation. So I select employee, company, annual income. In US dollars, it has asked. Oh, I need to upload my passport and photo. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so I was able to bypass that. Intended date of arrival, date of departure, port of arrival, type of flight, flight number. Have you visited Thailand? No. Before? Have you applied for Thai visa before? No. Are you traveling as part of tour or group? I select no, but you need to do as per your case. Where are you gonna stay? street address, city, district, phone number, click on next, or sub-district I'm missing, postal code. Okay, now the document page has come. Passport, photograph, current location, financial evidence, employment contract. Once you are through this, in the next step, it will ask you to make the payment. So that is how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.